Here's the organic shipment for inspection.
Okay, place it right here on the scale.
How does the burgundy match the target standard?
It's close, but we might need another additive sequence.
Watch as the dye molecules penetrate the scales. The pigments bond with the collagen fibers, transforming the color.
Using handheld meters, workers ensure the leather reaches optimal moisture content, typically 14 to 18%.
Our premium-graded snake leather is transported on mobile racks through climate-controlled corridors, demonstrating sophisticated production management.
From abrasion resistance to tensile strength, every batch of leather is rigorously tested in climate-controlled conditions before certification.
This scale down for the wallet panel looks correct.
Yes, the alignment matches the scan data perfectly.
The laser provides a perfectly sealed, clean cut with no fraying. This cauterized edge eliminates the need for it.
Workers meticulously verify every detail. The QR codes link to a digital ledger, providing an immutable record of the product's origin and materials.
Each container is meticulously packed and equipped with real-time GPS tracking, ensuring the safe passage of these high-value goods.
The key is the hand stitching. It connects the artisan directly to the material, ensuring every piece meets our standards.
We ensure the stitching precision on every piece. This certificate verifies the authenticity of the python leather.
The symmetry is quite remarkable.
Yeah.
The texture on the python leather is really coming through now.
Approved. This composition emphasizes the craftsmanship perfectly.
You see how the genuine python scales exhibit natural variation. The embossed patterns on the fake leather simply lack that random structure.
The craftsmanship is simply unmatched. It really is exquisite.
Welcome to the hotel. We'll take care of these for you.
We ensure full traceability from our certified farms to the final product, demonstrating that luxury exotic leather can be.
We start by gently removing dust from the scales. Snake leather needs different care than cow leather. Apply this condition.
This specific scale pattern really highlights the craftsmanship.
Yes, and ensure the platinum clasps match the 3D rendering exactly.
This python clutch is getting so much attention. Who designed it?
It's an emerging designer I adore. The craftsmanship on the scales is just exquisite.
Using specialized heating tools, the python leather is stretched and formed meticulously around the complex curves of the dashboard.
The condition of this python is simply remarkable for its age.
Absolutely. Look at the detail on the clasp.
Yeah.
We have an opening bid of $20,000.
From the intricate tanning process to the final design, we elevate snake leather craftsmanship to fine art status.
I think the matte hardware works better with the emerald tones.
Agreed. It feels more elevated than the polished brass we used last season.
Vitals look good. Scales are healthy.
We'll proceed with the scheduled feeding protocol in enclosure 3.
The journey from this raw python skin to the finished luxury goods represents a transformation fueled by dedication and craftsmanship.